on the air, back for the first time. I'll go ahead and put our chat up on the screen, and if you're in the chat, let me know how it sound, if we're good to go on that. And then also, I will go ahead and share this post on Facebook. So if you want to win some free BTC, go ahead and jump in the Facebook group and share this post right here, right? And I'm gonna do a chart real quick and then come right back to give you guys a chance to win. We'll pick a winner live on the air. Big Sean, what's going on? Big Crypto. It's good to see you guys. Francois, South Africa, in the building. All right, let's see. I'll go through the comments from yesterday. And the way I'm doing it now is if you want to get a chart done, just leave it in the comments. And then I'll just go through the comments from the other day. And that's how we will pick a chart. The gold. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't want to do that. Hold on now. What happened? What happened? Hold up. I feel like I just messed that up completely. I can't see the top of it for some reason. I feel like that should be okay. It's like midstream. Can you guys see? Yeah, I feel like that's normal maybe. Just go ahead to freestyle it. Does the main screen look good? This browser window, is it like level with the top and bottom? I can't see it. My thing got messed up. Oh no, that's not good. Alright, my bad. The joys of live crypto trading videos. Alright. What we want. Let's do this. Comments. Going through them now. Here we go. Andrew Jones. Big Drew. Drew asked yesterday, can we do THC or OKC? Yes, we can. So let's go, jump on in and get, we'll do THC. Again, if you want your chart drawn, leave me a comment after this live stream finishes. If you appreciate boy BK coming on a Saturday, help y'all make some money, give me a thumbs up one time, share the video, you know, copy and paste it, Twitter, Steam it, Reddit, it don't matter, you know. I appreciate the support, helping get the word out. That's XLM. We'll come back to that, and we're gonna jump into, let's do THC. Let's see how it looks. Hemp coin to Bitcoin. Oh boy, that looks pretty good, don't it? All right. Wow. So I had this Fibonacci in here. I haven't looked at this chart in a while. So yeah, this definitely looks good. This is a 343, so this is the longest scale that I recommend trading on. But you really can't get better than this. It's at 1,000 right now. It got as high as 45. You see it capped out at the 2.4, came back down. What I really like about this chart, this resonance, is that 1.6 went negative. That 77 went under the 231 right there, right on time at the 1.6. You don't see that too often, which means this frequency, how we have this scale drawn, is right for the whole chart, for the big scale. It's a good time to buy it. I mean, we're back in the money zone. This is like almost a 12-month cycle, which is crazy. Look at the 231 behind it, right? When you just look at that 231, it just went up. It's like a bell curve, came down and dovetailed all the way through, and now we're back on top of it. That's when you buy, right? Because once that 231 comes back, it's just gonna push you higher. So yeah, this is a definite buy right here. I'll keep my eye on this one. I didn't even know about it. So shout out to Andrew for putting the team on. And then it looks like we'll have another breakout coming pretty soon with this 77 coming up over the 231. Right, that's going to give us some liquidity moving into the future. It looks good though. This is a buy down here, especially if you like it. You know what I'm saying? That's the thing. A lot of times you gotta just buy what you like when it's the right time to buy it, and that way, even if it loses a little bit of money, you know, it's not that bad because you actually have some affinity for the project altogether. Yeah. So this thing should do pretty well. What is that going into? August, mid-August. It'll be back into another big positive cycle. I'm just going off the macro of 77, looks like. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. And even if we did this cycle, right? We got positive energy coming all the way through August, middle of August. So this is a good buy. And maybe you might hit it right to where it just keeps going, you know? It's hard to tell with some of these smaller cap coins. Like, look at that trend line right there. Like, we hit that thing on 3 different places, right? And so this might be, you know, a whole new cycle altogether to where you're able to maybe 5x it like it did on the other side. Cool. Good chart though. THC. Decent. Send me some smoke. Cool, man. All right. Good to see you guys. Thank you for joining. Let's go ahead and share the post. Again, Facebook group, #1 Bitcoin group in the world. I'm going to come back, do a little intro, and then we will jump into it. But yeah, Big Dave, thanks for that. THC is a good one. I'll keep an eye on it. Give you guys a couple more seconds. Share that post. We got 7 people right now. Let's go ahead and make it happen. Live from the USA, helping you get paid every day. This is the boss of Bitcoin, the Cristo of crypto. Is your boy BK. And if you don't like me, you must not like money. Thank you for joining me, everybody. I wanted to come on and give you a live crypto market update with this breakout chart that's ready to happen right now. You know, it's been on our profit package. It's been, you know, distributed to the boss alert messages, the money team holding me down on Patreon. So if you want to get access to that early information, then definitely go to bossofbitcoin.com, click on products, you know, and we have a lot of great products available. There you go, right there, the profit package, 7 coins every 7 days. Check it out. I'm coming out with a new list in 2 days, and this one has been on the list for about almost a month now. You know what I'm saying? It's been making some real deal money, and I gave it to the people back there around 500, I think, If this is your first time tuning in, congratulations, baby. You are now rocking with the best. My name is BK, known as the Crypto Trader, and I am the boss of these charts, as you will soon find out. Every day, I grace this microphone with my voice. As another day, you get the profit as a result, and today is no exception. So with that being said, we are going to jump into our Facebook group, the #1 Bitcoin group in the world. #1 Bitcoin. 20,000 of my best friends come together 7 days a week to keep each other empowered and in profit in the market. So come on in. The doors are always open. And all I'm doing right now is I'm going to reload this page so we get the most up-to-date people on the feed. And let's go ahead and pick a winner. Eight shares. What's today's date? July 21st. All right. So 72918. Let's count down 8 people. If we hit the bottom, we go bounce back up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, Sean. 5, Dan. 6, Robert. 7, Delano. Gold. 8, back up to Robert. Bam! Number 8, Robert. Good to see you, man. Little cat with the melon on top. You're the winner of the day. Thank you for joining us. Everybody, thank you. Before I do this live video, I come on air and, give the people a free chart just to, help people make money if they had a question with the chart. So leave me a comment down below if you want to see a chart for tomorrow's video. And without further ado, let's make it do what it do. And jump on over to Stellar Lumens on Bitcoin. Now, first things first, this is a Bitfinex, right? They don't have that much data, so we won't be using their chart. If you ever come up to a chart that, you can't really look back and see a complete cycle on the chart, same thing I think with Binance. Binance, we click that up, it's like a lot better, right? So we can actually use Binance for this one. This isn't bad. But you see, Binance gets cut off at 2018. What happens if I go to Bittrex? Now this gives me like the whole thing, right? And actually looking at this one, we'll go ahead and use this chart to make it happen, right? All right. So Stellar Lumen, this is the boss method, 7 and 77. If you just getting set up, just type in Google chart like a boss, and that will show you exactly what you need to do to get set up. It has a playlist. It has all the different resources and tools specific to setting up this method on TradingView, right? Biggest thing you need to know, when that 7 goes above the 7.7, you buy it, right? And Stellar, is looking very, very good. The biggest thing I know, you kind of see we have these macro cycles happening behind it. If we were to take our simple sine line tool, right, and pick it up at this breakout, right here, take it all the way up, you see that's kind of the energy we're riding right now, right? And when we take it out to the top of that 231, almost right on time, take it back to the beginning of this thing. There you go. Right where all 3 of those points came together at back in the day, whenever we would have 3 points like that, the 7, the 77, and the 231, literally, go to sleep and sit right there on each other. I would say that's where lightning strikes. That's where all the energy in the chart comes together, you know what I'm saying, and anything suppressed wants to be released, so bam, it takes off and explodes. You know, we follow this thing all the way up to the top of it, right? And we know everything happens in cycles, so we don't fret it when it goes down. That's just the macro energy taking a break. But soon as it comes back again, it's literally ready to make some money. And so we can see that Stellar has this long-term money built into the chart right now that won't be capping out until the middle of August. That gives you about 4 weeks, you know, to make some real deal money with this thing. This is a good coin to have right now. It's not done going up. It's literally just getting started. And when the rest of this crypto market recovers, it will be on top of all of those other coins, because this already has positive energy built into it, where 90% of the market is down right now, right? So that's the opportunity, is to really look for the stronger coins, buy those, you know, and then ride it out with the big boys. When the big money comes back, we're sitting on top of the market, right? Not on the bottom of it, trying to get a leg up, right? And so when we just draw a simple trend line like that, right, we can actually start to see into this thing. And if we wanted to 2018, click that one to that one. If we wanted to see like a little quick macro chart. So that should be the channel that we ride into, right? As long as we're in that channel, we have positive energy, and this chart will keep going higher, right? So you can see we're kind of riding this little quick energy wave up right now. If we just go there to there, that's basically this little quick energy wave. So what's probably going to happen, we're going to fall just a little bit between these two little curves, right? Catch ourselves, right? And look to do something like that. Once we get on top of that line, now we'll go up to the next level. Which will be right about there, right? It's interesting too, when you take your 2 times that lightning struck, 1, 2, whoop, whoop, whoop. We can set up, could possibly set up for 3 right there. That's about a 6-month cycle. That would be pretty big, right? If that's able to happen, that would be pretty big, and that would actually send Stellar into a whole new trajectory where, look at that. It did something like that. And so for capstone max, I would say that would be the ceiling in between there. And that would be right around 58, 55, right? So between now and then, right now we're at about 4,000 flat. Not saying it'll happen that quick, but it is possible to max out 50% in 34 days like a boss. That's not bad. Stellar Lumens, you know, is going to be on top of the market. This is one of the strongest charts in the market. And like I said, my people on our boss alert messages and the profit package had it weeks ago, you know. So I gave it to them around 28, 25, 28, somewhere in there, 28. And so a lot of them have made a lot of money. And so this is your opportunity. This is the season. This is alt season, as Shoppedia talks about. And so we do have some products, packages, and services available for you. Boss alert messages is where you have one-on-one access to me 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If you got a question about a chart, if you need help with you know, trading indicators, whatever you need, I'm accessible to you. And I'm sending you a video where I'm reviewing the top 70 coins every couple days. That way you know what's going to be on top of the market, what's not, and how to manage your money more effectively in the marketplace. And also, to accommodate everybody with all the questions and onboarding they have, we do have one-on-one sessions available again. Me and Diana Rodriguez are available. Crypto Nani, you know, to help you on a one-on-one. So you paid a deposit. I think it's $50 for her meeting, $100 for mine. All the information is right there, and you will get a one-on-one meeting with us where we do a video call and walk you through, screen share everything you need to be successful. The biggest thing to note is that, you know, this is a time for us to begin to make the transition of, you know, wealth accumulation in our society, right? As long as I've been alive, you know, the dollar has been the de facto method of transmission of value, right? You value something, you go to the store and you trade these for it, right? Well, boy George right here, his days are numbered. You know what I'm saying? Like, people don't even want this anymore. Like, what is that on the back of it? Does anybody look at the back of this? Where does this stuff come from? You know what I'm saying? Who wants this? This dirty little filthy, gross. So do yourself a favor. Transmit some of your value onto the blockchain. You know what I'm saying? Understand that it's an economy of value. Whatever you value, for whatever reason, there will be a blockchain-based protocol to transmit that value throughout the world, right? And so that's the opportunity that we have. If you're in the chat right now, do me a favor, shout your country out. I want to show y'all some love too. I appreciate y'all been rocking out with me for the past about 30 minutes or so. I want to get you guys some love real quick. And somebody asked if I had a performance spreadsheet to show people how I do. Yes, I posted it in the Facebook group about 3 days ago. So just go in the Facebook group, you'll see it right there. Last week we averaged about, where is it? I don't have it on my desktop anymore. But to answer your question, yes, I do post the results, and we do pretty well. You know what I'm saying? It's hard to lose when you're playing with the boss. You know what I'm saying? Every time I play a game, every time I play Monopoly, every time I play checkers, I play to win. You know what I'm saying? Not too many people like to play games with me because they ain't gonna come out winning. So, you know, same thing with the market. So, yes, we do post the results. I don't distribute it externally too often because, to be honest, I don't need to brag. My resume speaks for itself. Men lie, women lie, numbers don't lie. You know what I'm saying? And I'm putting up numbers. You know what I'm saying? I guarantee you one day they're going to put me in the Crypto Hall of Fame. Believe it. You know what I'm saying? I don't need no gold jacket. Tell them they can keep it. You know what I'm saying? Me and T.O., we don't need gold jackets. You know what I'm saying? I got gold, I got silver. What I need a jacket for? Alright, I'm good. Here we go. Let's jump over. See where our people at. Bam! There you go. Sweden in the building. Seattle. What's up? Cali. I see you. Logical Fields. Boss walking on the West Coast. France. You know what I'm saying? We crossing that pond, baby. Quebec. What's up? Toronto, Canada, India, AZ. Crypto Nude. You know what I'm saying? Holding it down for the Southwest, South Side, LA, and Philippines. You know what I'm saying? Somebody look like they already on the moon. So there you go. You buy Stellar, go to the moon with them. Enjoy the view. You know what I'm saying? Enjoy the ride getting there, right? And so somebody said, explain how a consultation, just getting started. Yeah, you go to bossofbitcoin.com, that website that I just walked through right there. Click on products, right? And then click on one-on-one with the boss team. And you just click that little button, my picture, you know what I'm saying? My picture. Right there. I have to get the new photo shoot fresh right here, you know what I'm saying? Get it right here. And yeah, then we schedule a one-on-one, and I get you set up with everything. Everybody else has been amazing. You know, thank you for the support you've given me. If you value this kind of content, give me a thumbs up one time. You see, you know, the numbers is growing on YouTube. We averaging about 1,000 views per video. I remember back in the day I was getting 5, 6, 7, 8,000. So let's keep engaging. That's why I'm leaving you the opportunity to leave a comment, get your chart on the air tomorrow. I'm coming back less than 24 hours a day, less than 24 hours away. You know what I'm saying? I'm coming back every day. So with that being said, it's that time of the day. Signing out, the boss, your boy BK. No matter where you stay, Brazil to Bay, California, all the way back out through Money. Good night, good morning, and good day. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for your time. Bam! Subscribe right now. Join the money team. Patreon, bossofbitcoin.com. Come on in. The doors are always open. Do that for me if you appreciate mine. Till we meet again. Stay cryptic, y'all. Peace.